Okay, excuse me, our very last video, multiplying polynomials. Technically, all the polynomials we're going to be multiplying are binomials only. So multiplying binomials. Whoops, I got binomials, okay. Multiplying. There we are. Binomials. So to multiply polynomials, you simply multiply every term in the first polynomial by every term in the second polynomial. Okay, so if I were to multiply these two polynomials, they're specifically binomials because they only have two terms. I just take this term and multiply it by both of these. So 3x times 2x, 6x squared, and then multiply it by that one. 3x times 3, 9x. Now, once I've multiplied this term by both of these, then I move over to the next term and multiply it by both of them. So negative 5 times 2x and negative 5 times positive 3. And that's it. Now they're multiplied. I just see if there are any like terms that I can simplify. There's not another x squared, so 6x squared. 9x minus 10x is minus 1x, and then there's not another constant term. That's it. It really is just as easy as that. As a matter of fact, there's even an acronym to help you remember, only if it's it only works for binomials, but since that's all we're doing, okay, it's called FOIL. So you might hear your instructor say, oh, FOIL that. It means multiply the binomials. And FOIL stands for first, outside or outer, inner, last, right? So here's the first terms you would multiply. Now these would be the outer terms, the inner terms, and then the last ones, right? All right, so if you were multiplying the first terms in each binomial, you'd multiply 2x times 2x to get 4x squared. If you were multiplying the outer terms, you would multiply 2x times negative 3. And here's the inner terms, 3 times 2x. And then here's the last terms. Notice it's no different than just starting with this one, doing both of them, moving over, doing both of them. Okay, don't forget, look to see if those middle terms are the same. Oh, and in this case, they cancel out. So very short, very sweet. The only thing is, if I have a binomial written like this, remember, exponent rules do not exist if you have a plus or minus in between your terms. Everything has to be multiply and divide only. Multiply and divide only. So to work a problem with an exponent on it, on the parentheses, on a binomial, I have to understand what that means. It means multiply that 2x plus 3 times itself. So you got to spread it out. And then you can say, oh, okay, I'm going to multiply this term times both of them, 2x times 2x. 2 times 2 is 4, x times x is x squared. And then 2x times 3, 2 times 3 is 6, and then x. Okay, and then once I've multiplied this one, move to the next one. So 3 times 2 times x is 6 times x, and 3 times 3 is 9. Check to see if these middle terms, or any terms really, are alike. So 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. Okay, awesome. Let me know if you need anything at all.